Hi, I'm Nikki. I'm the lead security product manager at Active State. Today, I'm going to show you the new CVE dashboard capability. Today, when you look at your projects, you could go into an individual one and see what vulnerabilities it had, but you didn't have a way to see aggregates across your organization. Now, if you go to your organization, any person who is invited to the organization has this vulnerabilities CVE tab. This shows the aggregate of the vulnerabilities across all projects in your organization. You can filter this based on severity. For example, if you only are required to patch critical and high and you want to see how many of those you have to go fix. And you can see right here, I have 8 criticals and 29 high. Or maybe I just want to start the criticals. There we go. This updated list contains just those. Now, since we build all of your open source packages from their source code in an isolated environment, we're able to tell you about a depth of vulnerabilities not all tools can. We've got the source all the way down to the C libraries. Now, let me reset the filter and go ahead and search. The search works across the name, description, projects, and packages field. So first, let's see if there's any X509. Yep, you got a few of those. Or maybe I want to find a specific CVE that came out in 2022. Sure, I can do that. This would be really good if a new vulnerability hit the news and you wanted to see if any of your projects were affected. The other thing that of course makes sense is what if I want to see something for a specific package, like OpenSSL? What is it really impacting here? I can see all the projects that it's in and all the vulnerabilities it's related to. Well, now what? Let's fix it. I can go click on one of these projects and it will take me right to the configuration page, at which point I can see where my vulnerabilities are. And I can always look to see exactly the information about these. And I can go ahead and see what my choices are. Loading. I could change it and pick ones with different amounts of CVEs. Now, it doesn't mean that all of these are necessarily going to work with your chosen language and platforms, but at least it gives you a good try of which ones maybe you want to start with. I'm hopeful that your team is able to use this in a way to help them prioritize what to fix first, or just get visibility across all of your projects and all the open source in your organization. Coming soon, we're going to make it possible for you to go ahead and export your view into a CSV file so that you can handle it outside of our dashboard if that's what you want to do. That'll be coming right up here in the top. And I am hopeful that you find this useful, and we're looking forward to your feedback. This is available to all of our enterprise customers. If you're not currently an enterprise customer, there's going to be a link in the description below that you can use to get early access and provide us with some feedback through the end of September. Thank you.